I try to make people feel at home. I try to make sure people trust us whenever they come service their vehicles. Try to be as transparent as I can when it comes to service because everyone knows servicing your vehicle isn't the funnest thing. So when you come to a Fields dealership, we try to make it easy. We try to make it comfortable. We want to, provide the best amenities, the best way to practice service whenever anyone comes in to get their maintenance done, their repairs, diagnostics. We offer a very high level of customer service. I tell everyone that we do have a brand new facility, everything's state of the art, except for our employees. We have a big team, and our team is full of experienced technicians that are master trained by Mercedes-Benz. Same with our advisors. We are all trained by Mercedes-Benz and have been working with them for at least 10 years or more. So facility is brand new, but when it comes to employees, we all know what we're doing, so we try to implement that every day into working with our clients and with their vehicles that they bring in trust with us. Having my customers follow me from Jacksonville has made me tremendously happy, especially knowing that there's people who trust me to travel all the way from a very long drive just to come get their service and get everything that they need on their vehicles with me personally. It makes me feel good. I'm very thankful for my customers, and it means a lot to me. I think a customer would follow me and come visit us at our new store because of the relationship I create with them, the trust that I give in them to, bring their vehicles to us. I think that's a big reason, is trust and being able to communicate with them daily and let them know that they can bring their vehicle to us and not have to worry about anything. I tell them, please come. I tell all my customers, if they're new or if they've been working with us before, please come check us out. Everything is state of the art. Everything is amazing here. We have a crew that's very excited and eager to work on our vehicles and provide the best service we can possibly provide. So the standards here at Mercedes-Benz of St. Augustine are very high. So I want to make sure that whenever a customer comes in here, they can see that we are very particular. We want to make sure that everything's to the highest standards of cleanliness, of having the best amenities that we can offer to our customers, so that way we stay at the #1 spot when it comes to customer service. A new customer that would come here would find that we have a very high level of professionalism. We have also employees that are master trained by Mercedes-Benz that are held to the highest standards, so we can stay in that #1 spot when it comes to customer service. My goal has always been to work with Mercedes-Benz, and I've been in service at the other store for a very long time. Like I said, 10 years at the other store, my goal has always been to be in a management position. I've worked very hard to be in this position. I gave it pretty much everything I could to get to where I'm at, and I plan to continue with the Fields company, and I hope that they understand that. I hope that they understand that I'm working as hard as I can to make this store as best as it can be, and we're only starting. So I'm very excited and I'm very thankful.